The spectacular Albert Memorial is the latest iconic piece of London statuary to face howls of derision from those who'd like to tear down our history. The wonderful memorial, which stands opposite the Royal Albert Hall in South Kensington, was built to honour Queen Victoria's late husband in 1872. But it has faced criticism from its own supposed guardians, the royal parks. Funnily enough, this memorial, which was built in the Victorian era, during the reign of Queen Victoria, has fallen foul of the wreckers for presenting a Victorian view of the world. The 176-foot monument depicts an enthroned rendition of Prince Albert, consort of Queen Victoria, alongside people and animals representing Asia, America, Africa and Europe. The Royal Park's website poured venom on the stunning work of art in a website update. It read, "Though the Empire has traditionally been celebrated as a symbol of British supremacy, many today consider this view as problematic because colonialism often relied on the oppression and exploitation of people, resources and cultures." This leaves me questioning, who is this update actually for? Has it become a new thing that there are nuanced and competing views of Victoria, Albert, the British Empire and the whole of history itself? Statements like these seem to be aimed squarely at idiots. Queen Victoria commissioned the memorial in 1862, the year after her beloved husband died. The masterpiece was the work of Sir George Gilbert Scott, who designed St Pancras Midland Grand Hotel and other marvels. I just despair of the capture of heritage and other organisations in the UK at the moment by those who despise the treasures they are supposedly entrusted to guard. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.